little bit late to school, but it's all right because it's a Monday. But today we are going to be switching my intake system. So as you guys saw, I had the stock air box. Then I bought a short air intake, you know, and then I got a bunch of hate for it, you know.
Why you got such a hot air intake?
Oh my god, that only pulls hot air. Oh my.
It is kind of true, but at the same time, like, it's whatever, right? But anyways, I got a K&N drop-in filter. We're gonna try and put in that stock air box. And the reason I want to put this is because it's gonna get really hot here in Sacramento. Even though right now it's super cold and like, it don't really matter, but we're gonna be using it for the summer because Sacramento does get pretty hot, It gets like around 100 something degrees and it gets super hot, dry heats here in Sacramento. So that stock air box would probably benefit us a lot instead of this short ram air intake sucking all that hot air. So without further ado, let's get on to school. I'm almost graduating, guys, so we have a lot of stuff to do, a lot of homework to turn in. So I'll see you guys at school. I don't know what it is with me, guys. I don't know what it is, but check that out. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're low on gas again. With this channel, just should be renamed to BeDistinct No Gas. BeDistinct No Gas, because we have no gas every time we get on the damn car. Those of you guys asking, by the way, like how's gas, or those of you guys who are interested in getting a G35 or even a 350 and just asking how's gas and whatever, I fill up gas twice a week at $30 every fill, just because I don't fill my car up I only fill my car up halfway. I don't fill it up all the way, just because I don't like spending $70, $80 on a freaking full tank. That's the real reason. Like I said, guys, I have not one day in my single life complained about gas in this car. Not one day, guys, not one single day. As a matter of fact, I actually praised this car for the fact, no, I didn't praise the car, but I praised, like, I actually said in one of my videos, I actually enjoy coming to the gas station. Like, I actually do enjoy it. It's just a nice feeling, you know, going to the gas station. I don't know, I'm weird, all right? I know I get it. All right, guys, this is the kind of things I experience with gas problems. For those asking me about those gas gauge problems as well, we started like you guys know that last tick mark, like closer to empty, we were below that. Now we stepped on it a little harder. We drove on the freeway for a little bit and now it's higher. See, so this car pretty much refuels itself. This car refuels itself. The harder you push it, the more fuel you recharge, which is perfect because this is perfect daily driver. All right, guys, we made it back to school, home and safe. Automatic door closing. You already know, because these door hinges on these G's are absolutely atrocious. Want to know what I do at work? Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Okay, hold up. Let's do some actual work. BMW M6 on the works, bruh. Look at that. Short ram, when I first started driving it, the responsiveness is pretty damn good. I love it. But I think as you drive it more and, you know, it gets more hot, it does start sucking more hot air in, and then the responsiveness kind of dies down. It's like kind of like the erection kind of softens up, you know. Try to take advantage of the fact that this is a small camera and see if we can pull a joke here on my girlfriend, like a little prank. What should I tell her? Damn. Gotcha, bitch. You know what I was thinking the other day? All you think about is food, huh?
What? What are you gonna say?
My coworkers invited me to go this Saturday to go to Mango's, the nightclub, to go dancing.
You told me they invited you to get Korean barbecue.
Yeah, but like,
how you going to switch up?
No, that's still on, but like later at night.
Oh, have fun.
I can go?
Yeah, I trust you.
Really?
Volteados in that camera!
Shut up! Okay, I guess the camera's not small. Alright guys, so we're cleaning the stock airbox that we had on the car. And alright guys, it's been a couple minutes. I think these things should be dry. Damn, that shit is dirtier than a grease stain. Alright guys, we just took off our freaking Z1 air filter. Man, it's crazy, man. What amazes me is how this little single tube, right? You got this tube right here, and then right here comes with this sensor. It's crazy how everything just flows together. This might just seem like a piece of plastic, but like, it's crazy. It's almost like the universe, you know what I'm saying? Here we got our first issue. It seems like we probably didn't get the part right. We looked it up on AutoZone and everything. We got the right part number, but it's definitely not gonna fit, and I'm not gonna squish it enough to fit. So I'm not sure if we need to get another one. That's probably most likely what's gonna happen, but definitely not the trouble I wanted to run into right now. But anyways, probably gonna have to go switch it out. All right guys, we were able to come to Walmart, exchange the filter. We got the right one, and we actually found the extra coolant we needed, because as you guys know from the previous video, we were running quite low on the coolants. So we're gonna refill that reservoir, and then we're gonna install this new air filter. I don't know why I got the wrong one, honestly. I have no idea how that ended up happening, but regardless, let's get home, let's install it, and let's see the engine purr once again. All right guys, daylight is obviously going down, guys. It's going down like the stock market right now. So look, this is what we have done. So it was a little tricky, because this, you guys, for those of you guys who know, who have taken this apart, there's 2 pins at the bottom that makes this fixed in place. You can't really mess with it. It's crooked, like the coupler is bent. That's why I angled this bracket right here, so it holds in the direction of the Z-tube, not the coupler. So this is holding in the direction of the Z-tube. This is holding in the direction of the MAF sensor. So hopefully this is airtight and all the air goes through. We're gonna turn on the car. If for some reason it's not airtight, our RPMs are gonna shoot up, or they're gonna shoot down. Something's gonna malfunction, and we might get a check engine light. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. It was somewhat of a cold start. The temperature's a little down right now because we haven't driven it in a while. So our RPMs are a bit high, not like super high. They're normal high, like 1.5. Come over here. One over here. That number's over there. Yeah. The battery is on the camera's dying, but so you guys can see it's normal. It's going down, but yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the morning. 3, 2, 1. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I don't know why this is getting blurry, but hopefully we got better eyes tomorrow. 3, 2, 1. Just a couple things I noticed while I switched the air intake. You definitely do hear it more. You hear the sound. As far as sound, you do hear the intake a lot more. You're like, bro, oh shit, I did that hella good. It sounded exactly like that. As far as performance, I can't tell. You expected me to tell you I don't got a dyno, but I do got a butt dyno. It's a little confused right now. Right now my butt cheeks are like it's a little confused. Like first I was like, man, maybe the car feels a little bit like it lacks response. Okay, let's do a kind of takeover right here in the freeway. See how this thing feels. 3, 2, 1. See, I pushed. See, I pushed on it right now, and we easily just went past that white truck, right? And if I'm just thinking back, if I were to have my intake, it'd probably do the same. On other news, guys, big news coming here. So recently I've been talking, or I emailed that one dude from Admin Tuning, right? The one that does all the tuning for Admin. We're probably gonna end up tuning the car in spring break. which intake am I going to use. I'm probably going to switch it up to the Z1 intake. I do want to see what how it would feel with all Z1 products. Z1 high flow cats, white pipe, single exit, plenum, and the intake. So I do want to, I'm curious to see how the performance is on that. Anyways guys, that will conclude our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But anyways guys, we're going to be tuning the car here shortly. We're going to put on those high flow cats and we shall see what happens after that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Make sure to slap a like on it and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.